Hello everybody and welcome to the video. In this highly requested video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact advertising strategy that I use to fill my calendar with scheduled appointments every single week. This strategy has allowed me to grow and scale significantly since I started using it, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that you can mimic it and get even better results. If we have a look here at my calendar, we can see quite a few meetings are scheduled. If we have a look for the next week, we can see even more meetings scheduled. So as you can see here, there are a significant amount of meetings per week that are being scheduled, and all I need to do is get on the phone and close the deal.
This strategy is perfect for if you are a coach, if you are a consultant, if you have a service-based business like a medical spa, dentistry, chiropractor, where you rely on appointments being scheduled on your calendar and closing the deal with those appointments. If you believe that you'll be able to do that, or if you're an agency and you want to target clients and offer them this service, you can definitely be paid a handsome amount to perform this, as it is so valuable and so important, and is going to really help any business scale.
So without further ado, let's get into the strategy and show you exactly how this is done. So the way that this is set out is two campaigns, okay? First campaign is a prospecting campaign, and the second campaign serves as a retargeting campaign and as a prospecting campaign also. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be sending people to schedule a call and also DMing anyone that engages with the ad. The follower campaign is very simple. It's literally just a boosted post. The only reason why you're ever going to boost a post to begin with is for more likes and for more followers, because it's really good at doing that. So you're simply going to get a post, one post that's got really good engagement organically, usually does the job. You're going to boost it and you're going to select page visits as the objective, right? More profile visits as the objective. You want to get a cost per link click of 18p or of about 20 cents, okay? Like 30 cents is all right, but you can do better than that. So just keep creating content and posting it and advertising it until you get a cost per link click of around 18 cents. If I go ahead and break down the campaign itself, we can see here that I've spent a little over £1,000 on this campaign because it works and it generates me a significant return on investment. The way that I set this out is I did the initial campaign of the UK only, spent the initial 1,000 on that, and then now I'm noticing that the results are starting to slow down. So I simply just duplicated it over to the US. Okay, you want to follow the same strategy. Tackle a large audience. Once it dries out, tackle an even larger audience. It's very important that when you set up your campaign, you want to use Advantage Campaign Budget Optimization Plus. A bit of a mouthful, but what that does is instead of dividing the budget against these three campaigns, it shares the budget amongst the ad sets present here, allowing it to spend accordingly to where the results are likely to come from. And then with the ad, it's very important to put multiple ads in each ad set so that you can actually have something to test against. Let's go ahead and break it down so you guys can create something similar.
So if you want to live and work online full time all year round and have enough time to live life however you want on your own schedule, then listen up, because this is exactly what you need to know to do that.
Okay, so what we can see here is we can see a hook, we can see B-roll footage, and we have the desired transformation of the audience. Okay, when you're making ads, follow this structure. Okay, very important. Hook, catch their attention, hold their attention as to the end, and especially in the hook, communicate the desired transformation that the audience are looking for. Tell them what it is that they want to have, and make it seem as if I watch this video to the end, I'm going to be one step closer to getting that. Okay, very important. If you're a skincare brand and you help people get rid of hyperpigmentation and acne, then show people that have cured their hyperpigmentation and acne without showing before and afters, or else you get shut down. It's very important that you hold the attention, and that's where the B-roll footage came in. So I showed footage of like traveling and the desired transformation and being on the beach and pina coladas and financial freedom. That's what my target audience want. If that's what you want, then go ahead and DM me, and quitting their job and earning money online, right? That's what my desired audience wants. Therefore, I'm presenting that to them in the form of the B-roll footage, and then just tell them about your offer, which we're coming into now.
Using digital skills to get paid consistently online has been the greatest decision that I've ever made in my entire life.
So offer, okay? So your offer needs to be irresistible. You need to create an offer that when you present it to the person who it's designed for, they do not say no. As in, it's the right price for them, it's the right person that's offering it to them, it's the right results that they're going to get from it.
If any of this does not make sense to you at all, then just DM me. I will be more than happy to help you and explain this to you.
And then just end the video with a call to action. Just tell the audience what to do. Just say, DM me, share this. Well, you don't want to say share this. You want to say DM me, and you want to say buy now. All right. You want to DM me so we can talk about money. Give me money, right? You want to be very direct with the ads, and straight to the point. So yeah, that's an example of the ad. Oh yeah, and when you're testing the primary text and headline, very important to use multiple different primary texts. Put emojis in there, not too many. Add text option, add more primary text. I've already done this. I've already tested 2 other different primary texts. You want to test at least 3 primary texts, at least 3 headlines. You want the audience to be as big and as wide as possible. And yeah, you just want to test huge audiences. And then when you first start out, what I've noticed is that people gravitate towards people that are similar to them. So you want to start off with your home country, get some easy conversions there, and then you want to pivot. As soon as that's doing well, you literally want to duplicate the campaign out, and you want to duplicate it to target the US or vice versa, okay? And then you want to just let it run and let it do its thing. It should survive for quite a while before you need to make any changes. Get a bunch of conversions, make a bunch of money, and then reinvest in making the ads even better. I've targeted a whole bunch of different entrepreneurship related interests, and I'm running the campaign to people that are of age, that likely have enough financial resources to make an initial investment. And then for the placements, I've gone ahead and removed all of the placements that I don't want. Very important to trim the fat on that. Okay, so once you've selected the right placements and everything looks good, go ahead and publish the campaign, and that campaign needs to be optimized for schedules, okay? So make sure that your standard events and your pixel are all set up and everything is done correctly. For more help on that, then just go ahead and DM me, and run it for at least $20 to $30 per day. You should be getting at least 5 scheduled calls booked in per day. Now that you know the strategy, go ahead and implement it. I'll be looking forward to see how your results pan out in the future. Make sure that you let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.